to the new video of AG Framework today. We are installing Zero Script Present Property Robbery Bundle. So first of all, you need to visit their official TBEX website. I'll provide the link in description after reaching their website. You have to click on Escrow section, then you can find the Property Robbery Bundle. Just click on Add to Cart, then proceed to checkout and continue your payment. After completing your payment, you will receive your script in your Keymaster ID. Here you can see I got the script. Then click on Download and save it to your computer. After saving to your computer, open the file and click on Extract here. It's a full-fledged robbery system that supports more than 14 interiors and having multiple minigame choice. So you can do it as you want without any issue. After that, paste it to your main server directory. Open the property script here. You can find the README section. Open the README section here. You can see the all items that are needed is listed here. Also, they provided us the item .loe without any issues. You can directly configure them. Also, make sure to follow the free cell. If you are having any other cells, then it will be also configured with them without any issue. It support various of mini games and inventories, and another dispatches are pre-configured with their basic script without any issue. After that, make sure to ensure this in your server CFG. If you did not mention this in your server CFG, you will having some issues. So make sure to ensure this in your server CFG. Just copy it, then minimize the tab. Then go to your server CFG folder and paste it here. Then remove this part after that, close the README file, then open the script again. Here you can find the inventory images, copy all the inventory images except from the item.txt. Then paste it to your designated inventory. As I am using the aux inventory, I am pasting it to the web. Then images section, after completing the paste, open the script again. Then open the item.txt with your Visual Studio Code. Then copy all the items and paste it to your designated inventory. As we are having same aux inventory, I will just go and paste it on data item Elua. Here we pasted it. Then save the file and close it. After that, open the robbery file again. Here you can find a configuration file into SRC folder. Then open the shared section. Here you can find the config Lua. Open it here. You can find the all basic configuration. First is the debug system. Make it false. If you want to see any issues, then you can enable it without any problem. After that, select your notification. As I am selecting it to live, then select your target. I am going to select the aux target, then select your framework. As I am using the QBCore contract, I will just set it to QBCore. Same goes to the dispatch. As I am using the PS dispatch, I will just copy it and paste it to the dispatch system. Same goes to the inventory. It supports various types of inventory. I am pasting the OX inventory as I am using. Also, you can use the stash system if you are using OX inventory without any issue. And make sure if you are using any type of weather sync, you can use that. As I am using the renewed weather sync, I'll just paste it here. Here you can find the brackets. It's the basic bracket system when the cell spawns and how much distance will be the basic distance from the player that spawns the cell. It's one of the most important things because some of the House of Disgrace kids having some trouble with the vehicles are banished after entering their interior. But you don't have any issues with this script. After that, you can find the cooldown system. You can set it as a global system or player system without any issue. You can select the per player timeout. Also, you can set it to global timeout without any issues. You can enable it or disable it. You can also select the cooldown based on the properties also. You can set the duration. It's defaulted configured with 5 minutes. After that, you can find the police count. It's defaulted connected with the 3 police. I just selected it to 0. Also, you can select it the police job or self job without any issues. After that, it's already basic config without any issue. So after that, close the configuration file, then open the server.lua. Here you can find editable section. Open this. You can find the inventory.lua. You can find all the inventory functions are there with the basic configurations. If you are using any external inventory or external script, you can directly configure it from here. After that, open the server data section. You can find the webhook.lua. You can enter all webhook URLs here with the proper exploitation section reward section, and door sections without any issue and delay. You can add it on your server. After that, close this section. Then go to the client editable Lua. You can find all type of configuration files are open, starting from dispatch to WeatherSync. Also, you can configure mini games. It supports multiple minigame like T3 minigames, and also the custom lock picking in games after that. Close the minigame.lua. Now copy the file and paste it to your main server directory. As we are already pasted it, then run your server. Now let's see how the scripts works in game. Hey guys, here you can see I am in game. The Zero Robbery Pack is working properly. So first of all, you have two devices that you need to bring with you before starting the job. First of all is number tracking device, and second is the hacking tablet. You will get the item in the item.txt file that we showed you in previous installation video. After that, it's having two options to initiate a house robbery. First is you can go through the phone booth and do the hack and complete your house robbery. And second is you can directly go to the house robbery location that is defaultly set, or you can add your own house robbery location and go and start the house robbery by lockpicking or by any type of thing that you want. You can directly customize it through the Lua. I am showing you both of the way. First is I am showing you the phone booth. For the phone booth, you need to have the number tracking device here. You can see I am having this, so I will also show you the job that I am having, the police job. So I'll show you notifications when it came. So after clicking it, you can show the minigame. You can configure the minigame based on your server. Without any issue, it's pretty easy and usable. Most of the cases here, you can see we hacked it and we are calling for the unknown number. Now here you can see I got the property location where to rob. Here you can see the circle with the proper map, proper mark location. Also, you can see the after doing lockpick police also be notified. Here is the property. For the property robbery, you can do the lockpick the door or also hack the door. For lockpicking the door, you need a lockpick. For hacking the door, you need the hacking tablet. At that case, if I remove the hacking tablet, I can only lockpick the door. In some case, for high-tier robbery, you need only the hacking device. So first of all, I will show you the lockpicking the door. You can see the minigame. Here you can see police is notified without any issues. And second is the hacking device system. The hack will be the same. You can change it based on your config without any issue. Here you can see after failing, you can see the alarm was activated. Now I will hack this. Here you can see we hacked the door with the proper animation. Also, this script provides you a special feature that when you are in interior and doing robbery with your friend, you don't need to worry about vanishing a vehicle or despawning a vehicle. It supports this feature, so you don't need to worry. Also, it has a custom interior and preparation. As you can see, it's already decorated. We need to disable the hacking device. We need to make it fast. If you don't do it fastly, the hack alarm will activate. In my case, the alarm was activated because I delayed it. So here you can see the alarm went off. The notification also came. You can also search this without any issue. I played some random item for the test. Here you can see I add the phones. It's a pretty random thing. You can add them or you can remove them. And also every time it's different. So here you can see the lockpicks are gone. Also, the minigame variations are there. I'll show you the another variation. Here you can see the another variations are there. Every time it gives you another variation of minigame, you can also disable this feature from the config that I showed you. Now I'll complete the hack here. You can see I completed the hack and I am searching for the items. Now you can see I get the items. It's a pretty normal thing. You can search multiple things are there without any issue after that. You can also pick up some items. As a pickable, you can add more items without any issues. Here you can see you can pick the microwave or the coffee machine without any issues. And also you can search this wardrobe. In some interior, you can also pick up this TV also. You need to just level up or increase your XP for that. There's multiple search locations. Also, you can steal something like that. So I'll just pick up the microwave. You can see I picked up the microwave. Without any issue, it will work properly. Now I'll show you the another variant that you can directly go to any apartment that you listed and do the lockpick thing without using the phone booth. Also, if you have the police job, you can directly lock the looted house so it starts the cooldown in this property. You can also set the cooldown in your config. A default is selected for 5 minutes. Now I will go to any location that has the lockpicking feature. For now, I will go to the grocery. Then directly go to any house and start the lockpick. It has the variation of minigame, so you has no problem with the minigames. You can also set the level and hardness of the minigame. In some case, the pet also will spawn here. Protect their houses. You can see the same searchable locations are there. Here you can see in this interior, you can steal the computer keyboard and desktop also. And you can also steal the TV. And just for that, I'll steal this here. You can see I get the computer. I'll just put it down here. Same goes to the monitor and keyboard. You can see it's added in my inventory. Same goes to the TV, so it's a pretty normal thing. You can has the multiple options for that. So that's it for this video. Hope you like it. If you have any issues, then join our Discord server and you can open the ticket for the issues. Thanks for watching.